Hi again. It's time for another Ask Googlebot. Today's question comes from Corina, who asks if it's OK to publish content twice, once in HTML and once as a downloadable PDF file. It's absolutely fine to do this. In general, Google systems can find both kinds of pages and index them separately, even if the words in them are technically duplicates. They can be shown independently in the search results. You have controls to manage this if you want to. For example, you could use a no-index HTTP header or robots meta tag to block indexing of one, or use the rel canonical link element to tell us about your preference. In practice, often content is available in just one format or the other, simply because that's what your audience wants. If you have a restaurant menu, folks will want to look at it on their phones, so a normal HTML page is best. On the other hand, if you have a specific form to fill out as a hard copy, then using a PDF file can make sense. And some kinds of content might work well in both formats, such as a guidebook or case study available to review in paper form. If our systems see these as duplicates, they'll usually defer to the HTML page version. It's worth mentioning, when it comes to PDFs, it's a good practice to include a link to your website in the PDF so that folks can find their way back. I hope that helps. Unfortunately, I don't have a PDF version of this video, but I hope you found it useful regardless. Catch you next time here on Ask Googlebot.